For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello everyone, myself Janvi studying 3rd year BSc Nursing in Khyati College of Nursing. Today we are going to learn about very interesting topic kidney stone. So let's start it. So let's start kidney stone. Objective: introduction, incidence, stone formation, type of stone, clinical manifestation, causes and risk factors, pathophysiology, treatment and prevention. In the first introduction, kidney stone, also known as renal calculus or nephrolith, are small, hard deposits of mineral and acid salt on the inner surface of the kidney. If stones grow to sufficient size, they can cause blockage of the ureter. Kidney stone, that's calcium. Gallbladder stone, it's cholesterol oxalate. Intestine is jejunum and hard substance. Second one is a incidence. Urinary calculi are more common in men than in women. Incidence of urinary calculi peaks between the third and fifth decade of life. 80% of stone under 2 mm in size, 90% of stone pass through the urinary system spontaneously. There is a seasonal variation with stone occurring more often in the summer months, suspecting the role dehydration in the process. Let's see its stone formation. Highly concentrated urine constituents crystallize and harden to form calculi. Kidney stone form when our urine contains more crystal forming substances such as calcium, oxalate and uric acid. At the same time, our urine may lack substance that prevent crystal from sticking together, creating an ideal environment for kidney stone to form. The crystal get deposited to the nucleus, continue to grow. Thus, can sometime adhere to the renal papillae. Type of the kidney stone. Firstly, calcium oxalate. Second one, calcium phosphate. Third one, steroid. Fourth one, uric acid. And fifth, cystine. To see the image, first it's calcium stone, uric acid stone, steroid. Okay, first calcium stone. Most kidney stone are calcium stone, usually in the form of the calcium oxalate, calcium phosphate. Oxalate is a naturally occurring substance found in a food, some fruits and vegetables, as well as nuts and chocolates have high oxalate level. Our liver also produce oxalate. Pathophysiology: calcium phosphate leads to in alkaline urine, leads to enlarge rapidly, leads to take shape of cycles and leads to stagion. Second one say uric acid. This type of the kidney stone is a more common in a man than in a woman. They can occur in people with gout of those going through chemotherapy. Steroid. This type of the stone is found mostly in a woman with urinary tract infection. The stone can be quite large and causes urinary obstruction. Cystine. Cystine stones are rare. They occur in both men and women who have the genetic disorder cystinuria. Other rare type of the kidney stone also can occur, such as a xanthine, dihydroxyadenine stone, and silicate stone, etc. Clinical manifestation: severe flake pain. What is a flake pain? Flake pain is a pain in one side of the body between The upper belly, belly means abdomen, area and back. Abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, fatigue, elevated temperature, BP and respirators, steady pain. Pain of urination, pink, red and brown urine. Color of urine, oliguria. Oliguria means the production of the abnormal small amount of urine. That's called oliguria. And anuria. Anuria means failure of the kidney to produce urine. In obstruction, hematuria. Hematuria means the presence of the blood in urine. That's called hematuria. Renal colic. Renal colic type of the pain you get the where urine is stone. Hydronephrosis. Hydronephrosis means excess fluid in kidney due to back up of urine. Causes. Supersaturation of the urine is the key to stone formation. Imbalance of pH in urine. Gout. Hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism, a condition in which the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid. Inflammatory bowel disease, UTI, urinary tract infection, dehydration, crystal aggregation. Causes में drinking less water, wrong diet, laziness of urination, excess hard work, urine disorder. Now risk factor. First, highly mineral content in a drinking water, dehydration, family personal history, dietary intake, being obsessed. Diagnostic study. In a firstly diagnostic study, resuscitation, pyelogram, 24-hour urine specimen, drug therapy, NSAID, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, outside lab investigation. What is mean pyelogram? Yes, rapidly pyelogram. Pyelogram in the image test they use X-ray to look at your bladder, uterus and kidney. Okay. Treatment and prevention. Firstly, acute treatment, pain medication, strain urine for stone, keep hydrated, ambulation, diet restriction, emotional support, invasive procedure may be necessary. Surgical procedure, lithotripsy. Use a sound wave to break up large stone into smaller fragments, allowing it to pass through the urine tract. Okay. Extracorporeal shock wave, lithotripsy, percutaneous ultrasonic, electrohydraulic and laser. In a surgical therapy, nephrolithotomy, pyelolithotomy, urinary lithotomy, basket extrusion, uteroscopy. To see the picture, lithotripsy, basket extraction. Prevention. First, hydration. Drink 3 liters of fluid per day. Ideally water and lemonade. Diet. Low sodium and calcium intake. Avoid intake of oxalate containing food. Low protein intake is required. Exercise or increase activity. Avoid activity leading to sudden increase in environment temperature that may cause excessive sweating and dehydration. And last one, medication. Pain relief may require neurotic medication. The presence of the infection require treatment with antibiotic. Other medication include allopurinol for uric acid stone, diuretic, sodium bicarbonate or sodium citrate, phosphorus solution. It's a medication of the kidney stone. Okay, thank you.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.